Damn, that ban was too long. I had a lot of time to think of a new way to make millions.
Well. Where am I? No questions. I've brought you here to give you my best Beggars squad. 3 men with enough power to drive crazy any Grinderscape player. Are you ready for the job, Nooba?
Are you ready?
Don't make me angry! Take this mask, it will help.
Soldiers, each of you will be deployed in a different area. Your task is to beg till you get money. Mike, you go to the dicing zone.
Yes, sir!
Mark, grand exchange.
Yes, sir!
And Timothy will go to the wheelie.
It's Tom!
Shut up, Timothy! Go!
Sir, I'm all set up and ready to move.
Mike, please say over when you're finished talking. Over.
Alright, over.
Are you at the dicing zone? Over.
Yes!
Yes, what? Over.
Yes, over.
Mark, are you ready? Over. I'm ready for a command. Didn't copy that. Over. I'm ready for a command. Over. Oh, that's better. I can hear you now. Over. Timothy, pick up. Over.
It's Tom!
What? Over.
It's Tom, not Timothy!
Timothy, I can't hear you. Over.
It's Tom, over!
Shut up, Timothy. Over. On 3, get ready to beg. 3, 2, 1. Money, please. I'm poor help. Sorry, no English speak. Sir, money, please.
No, go away.
But please.
Noob. No. Help me rebuild.
Нет.
Money.
No.
Money.
No.
Girlfriend.
Hell no.
Share loot, please!
No.
Let's play the loot!
Who are you?
I'm Tom!
Shut up, Timothy.
No. Sir, how much money do I have?
You have 0.0000003 coins.
Share logs, please! What the f?
Free money. Free money. Please. Joking. Ha!
Share loot! Sir, I've been here! Over!
Abort mission! Back to the base! Over! Money, please! Did he ask me for 20 million? No scam?
Yeah, sure.
What the f, scammer? Thanks for watching, guys.
See you next time.